Hi folks, welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Today I'm making eggs Provençal. I'm out here in Dutchy HQ and as you can see it's plus 2 degrees C and that's even with the heater on. Don't worry about the smoke, I've just got some charcoal lit. I'm just going to roughly chop some basil to give us about 1 tablespoon. And chop some thyme up to give us also 1 tablespoon, and then some rosemary to give us 1 tablespoon. They don't need to be that fine. Then I'm going to chop up 1 garlic clove. I'm doing a bit of filming out here today in Dutchy HQ, so we need a nice warm breakfast to keep us going. This recipe was given to me by a friend, Justin, from Wood Smoke Forum. I'm going to put a 10-inch skillet on the joy stove to get warm. And I'm just going to add about half a tablespoon of olive oil, just enough to coat the bottom. And mix around to get the bottom coated. To this we're going to add the chopped garlic. And we're going to gently cook this for about a minute and a half, just so it softens and takes the rawness off the garlic. We don't want it to brown. Then we're going to add 1 can of chopped tomatoes. And then a bit of stirring to get the garlic moved around. Then we're going to add the herbs in. Half a teaspoon of salt. And also half a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, so I'm going to let this cook for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally just to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. Using the back of a spoon, I'm just going to make 2 wells in the sauce. This is to crack the eggs into. So I've got 2 free-range eggs that I'm using. I'm just, like I say, cracking them into those wells I've made. I've got some sourdough bread. I'm just going to cut 2 slices out of this and toast these. So these eggs are just about the way I like them. I'm just going to take them off the heat and they'll carry on cooking. We're going to remove the pot stands. We'll put a rack on. We're going to toast our sourdough bread. Just in time. Our toast is ready. Eggs are ready. Sprig of basil to finish the dish off. It's time to get stuck in. A bit of the egg yolk, some of the tomato. Let's see what this tastes like. Yeah, I can recommend this. This is a real nice warm breakfast dish. Enough said. If you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.